Hi, welcome to the storage class analysis on AWS S3 bucket. So basically, we use this storage class analysis to see the for which a specific S3 bucket storage classes which is taking a lot of cost is incurred. So based upon this analysis, we can optimize the cost. For example, we have a different kind of storage class like standard IA like that, and how much data transfer happened, how much object has been uploaded. So based upon this analysis, we can optimize the cost. So I have created the document, and this will give you a report, like a graphical report as well as the CSV kind of report. Based upon that, we can optimize the cost. That's the main advantages. And I have given the step by step how to configure it and how to do it. Okay. In next lab, we will see how to implement it with this thing. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.